Open LinkedIn account, then open profile menu. Now open the setting. In that, data privacy option, then you need to click resumes and share resume and data. Now you can upload your resume in this option. The new resume was opened, then you shall delete whatever unwanted resume. That's it. In desktop mode, click the jobs icon. Now preferences, then resumes and application data. Now you shall upload resume. The updated resume was added. Now you shall delete the unwanted resume or CV. Now the resume was updated.